Did you get that?
Yeah.
Soldiers.
Yay! Yay!
Your mom's outside.
Ah! Bumblebee! I was looking right into the bumblebee's face.
Was it the bite?
Yeah, it was the bite. It was in my plant. Like, where did that bumblebee? Right there.
Hi, Bumblebee.
He's out the window. Ah! He's right there!
Tell them what's happening. I thought he was in the window staring at them. Do you know where it is? It's right outside. Let's see.
Hey guys, you're gonna be on YouTube.
Put a shirt on.
Darcy,
You just knocked me off my butt bone. God, they must really think I'm going mental.
you ready? Hey dude! Hey dude! Ow!
I know I just...
Dude!
Dude,
You're gonna
be on YouTube. If you know what that is. Okay. I went from 0 to my own hero. You had me down, but I got up. Alright, but after death. They want you to be scared of me. I'm just doing my morningly animal calls. Press it again. And don't unpause that. I'll keep it on, okay? I see it in your eyes as I start to cry. Oh God. Okay, good. I forgot. I was going to get my hair piece. I just fell, okay, guys? Oh, girl! I'm a bird! Go! I'm a bird! Meep. I'm a chick! Ruff! 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 I'm a dog. Oh my God, we're speaking! Ruff! 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 Oh, come on. Oh. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, you want a competition? Oh, woo, 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 woo. I win. I win. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo. Oh, hi. You're cold? Oh, woo, 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 woo. Beat that. He's all quiet. Oh, woof, woof, woof. Speaking to a dog. Hey guys, you want to see me pull a prank on my dog? Come here. Come on, go on the trampoline. Come on. Come on the trampoline. Come on. Go on the trampoline. Come on. Where is it, Susie? Here we go. I guess this is our trampoline. I am a warrior. I'm gonna find this. Japanese full kitchen! I'd like to eat the chicken nugget! Yes. Dude. Dude. Oh my god.
I did a close zoom.
My dog's ball over there.
What?
My dog's orange ball. Dude, that's my dog's ball.
I'm gonna get a wire.
Because there's cracks right there. And my dog's already okay.
That's your ball.
Yep. He has an orange ball and I couldn't find it and it's right there. Just casually looking in there. Okay, go get the ball. Okay, pause it. That's useless.
Want to invite other people?
I'm not sure if he's bucket.
Nada.
What?
What grade are you in?
Grade 3?
Grade 6?
You're not in grade 6.
Yes, I am. I'm 11.
Battery.
Okay, you are. Besides, what is next? What? There.
This.
No. Down here. Where your feet is. Like where you're stepping.
Dirt from my trampoline. 'Cause my trampoline was on here and it took all the grass away. Bye.